You ran the install, got that first response back, and then... what? That's where most people stall. But Gemma 4's 12 billion parameters fit in under 8 gigs of RAM, meaning your laptop can quietly handle tasks that used to require a cloud subscription. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 5 workflows, each one something you'd normally hand off to ChatGPT or Copilot. Except this time, your data never leaves your machine. Here's why this matters more than you think. Every time you paste code into ChatGPT or Copilot, that code hits someone else's server. If you're working on proprietary software, client projects, internal tools, anything under NDA, that's a real risk. Gemma 4 changes the equation completely. It processes everything right inside your terminal session. I tested it with a Spring Boot controller that had a subtle null pointer exception buried 3 layers deep. It caught the bug and explained the fix in under 10 seconds. You can even ask it to generate JUnit tests method by method. It's like having a senior dev doing code review at 2 in the morning, except it never bills you and it never phones home. Here's where things get interesting for anyone who deals with long documents. Instead of skimming 50 pages looking for one clause, you paste a command, point Gemma 4 at the file, and ask your question in plain English. The model scans the full text and pulls the relevant passage, not a vague summary, but the actual sentences from your document. It even tells you where it found the answer. And because everything runs on your machine, that confidential contract or internal report never leaves your laptop. No cloud service ever sees it. Think of it as a research assistant that reads instantly, quotes precisely, and forgets everything the moment you close the terminal. This is where things get genuinely surprising for a local model. Most AI tools need cloud servers to process images. Gemma 4 handles vision right on your machine. Snap a photo of a handwritten whiteboard from a meeting, drop it into the terminal, and get clean typed text back in seconds. But here's where it gets practical. Got a cryptic error dialog buried in a stack trace screenshot? Instead of squinting and retyping, just ask the model to read it. It processes the image pixel by pixel, the same way Cloud Vision APIs work, except nothing leaves your laptop. Your proprietary UI mockups, internal dashboards, confidential documents, they all stay completely local while you extract exactly what you need. This is where Gemma 4 becomes your travel companion. Picture this. You're on a 12-hour flight researching a topic for work. Normally, you'd be stuck, but with the model running locally, you can paste in entire articles and get structured breakdowns in seconds. The magic here is that nothing leaves your machine. That matters beyond convenience. If you work in government, healthcare, or any environment where data can't touch external servers, this is a game changer. Gemma processes everything in your laptop's memory alone. No tokens sent to an API. No logs on someone else's server. Just you and the text, completely self-contained. This is probably the most powerful use case on the list. One command, Ollama serve, and your machine becomes an AI endpoint. Any language that can make an HTTP request can now talk to Gemma 4. Python, JavaScript, even a simple curl command from the terminal. The magic is the OpenAI-compatible API format. That means tools already built for cloud AI services work with your local model. Zero code changes. Swap the URL from ap.openai.com to localhost, and you've cut the cloud out entirely. No rate limits, no per-token billing, and every single request stays on your hardware. You're not renting intelligence anymore. You own the whole stack. Think about what just happened across this video. You took one 12-gigabyte model and turned it into 5 different tools. Tools that would normally mean 5 separate subscriptions, 5 privacy policies, 5 companies with access to your data. Instead, everything stays on your machine. Your code never leaves your laptop. Your documents never hit someone else's server. And here's the part that matters most. This setup doesn't expire. There's no trial period, no usage cap, no surprise invoice next month. Once Gemma 4 is running, it's yours, like owning a calculator instead of renting one. Tomorrow morning, open your terminal and actually use it. Here's the thing most people miss. You don't need to master all 5. Just one working use case turns Gemma 4 from a cool install into a daily tool. Start with the coding assistant if you write code. or document Q&A if you don't. Once you see results from your own machine, no cloud, no API key, no monthly bill, you'll find the next use case on your own. We'll keep building on this, so stick around.